Hey, Mike, and NIO was down almost 8% on Friday, and it was because there was a short seller report. It was down a little further, down 2%. So it's now at 43.62. I'm going to go over what the short seller said. I'm going to talk about why I actually think there's a pretty good dip buying opportunity. So the short seller is not really a crank. He's actually a kind of legit guy. It's Andrew Left over at Citron, and they actually recommended NIO when it was at $7, but they said, the big sort of point of contention that Andrew Left has is that saying that NIO is vulnerable to Tesla's Model Y pricing in China, where the analysts thought the price tag of 56,000 to 73,000 for the Model Y would be problematic for NIO's ES6 hatchback. Analysts now believe Tesla could price it well below 41,000, which hammers even harder at NIO's valuation relative to its rival. So basically, the whole point of the short seller report is saying that NIO could fall to $25 a share because of competition from Tesla. And the thing is, the EV entire segment is going to be competitive. You have NIO, you have XPeng, you have Tesla. They're all going to be fighting for market share. However, he didn't say that there was anything fundamentally wrong with the company. It's not like saying, well, the products are bad or demand is going to be bad. It's just saying that they're going to get competition from Tesla. Well, NIO has had, competition from other EV automakers for a while. And is that going to put a pressure on margins? Yeah, it probably will. But what you have to look at is the overall long-term prospects of an EV automaker. And NIO, as an EV automaker, is probably going to be one of the biggest EV automakers in China and probably one of the biggest EV automakers in Asia. And then they have a chance to expand to Europe and the United States. And if they can expand to Europe and the United States, you look at a company that could be worth, hundreds of billions of dollars. So I think the short seller report will hit NIO for a while. It'll probably hit the other EVs for a while. But I would see this as a dip buying opportunity because if you have a time frame of 12 months, 24 months, or 5 years, NIO is going to be much higher. Yeah, they're going to face some competition, but I'm sure that the executives in NIO are smart enough to anticipate what Tesla is going to do and have a counter reaction to that. So I don't think Tesla pricing the Model Y at $41,000 is not going to be lethal to NIO. They just have to be a little smarter. Maybe they cut their prices or they just find a way to be more competitive. So like I said, if you're looking for an opportunity, because always, you get people say, well, NIO's run up so much. When am I going to find my time to buy? When am I going to find my time to buy? Well, looks like your time to buy could be right now. You just have to be, if you look at the sort of the trend line here, I would say it's probably, it may go back as low as the low 30s. That is possible. If you just if you draw a trend line here, that's where it may go, but I do think overall in the long term it goes higher. So I don't know, maybe you can do cash secure puts at a low, so you could own it at a lower price and collect some income while you do that, or maybe you just dollar cost average and just get in at a better price. But I definitely think NIO is a good company, and in the long term, it'll be fine. The short seller report is nothing major to worry about. So that's my opinion on NIO. I hope you liked the video. If you did, go ahead, like, share, subscribe, and you can turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stock options, and stock trading strategies. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.